What up? We had it next day, trying to get this work in. Already got a little head start cleaning the shoes. Trying to get these shoes done. Finish busting this bike down. Start working on my bike. And then I'm gonna try to see what else we got going on next. I got a couple other jobs people want me to look at for their bikes. But yeah, stay tuned over and clean all of these. Got them just sitting here drying out of my side already. I like these Versace shoes. They're huge as hell, but I like the colors. Got them looking back brand new. Yeah, I got some more outside.
You said that I was all you'd ever want. You said that we were fine. You swore that you would never break my heart. You wasted all my time. You took.
So we're about to get this bike going. I got a few parts the guy already gave me that's brand new. I already got some of the body parts off that's new. We're gonna take them straight to the paint. As soon as I get the other parts off right now, we're gonna try to drop them off, get that going, take the motor apart, get the heads in the shop, and pretty much get that wrapped up. I'm debating right now if I'm gonna keep the bike. I'll most likely probably take it back to him after we wait on the paint and I get the motor back complete. So that way I'll have some storage to get everything else going, you know. As you can see, we have a fresh wraparound right here. 21 wraparound. We got the complete leg warmer. This is the regular little pod. I'm gonna put the speaker pod in there. Oh no, I think this is, this is the regular one. I gotta get the speaker pods. I think they're in the box. This is the plastics for around the fairing. This is the primary gasket. These are the outer covers for the leg warmers. And then we have the hardware, and these are the speaker pods for the leg warmers. So let's get that down there. This is the inner and outer fairing. As you can see, inner and outer. Got the gaskets for the motor, exhaust manifolds, got the header and intake gaskets. This is the breather assembly. Got all right there. Then we have the primary fluid. Primary gasket. Then we have the clutches right here. And that's pretty much it. So this is what a new set of clutches look like for a Harley Davidson. So we're gonna throw these right up in there. So we got everything out. Let's get started on this bike. So we're about to start with taking the seat off, getting the bags off, gas tank. Start making it, get all the little pieces off. So stay tuned. Let's get this thing going. If you haven't watched any of my previous videos, this is a bike I bought from the auction and sold to one of my buddies, and I'm doing some work on it basically, so I'm about to get it right for him. Just got a little break. Auction truck came through in the perfect time, and this is the progress we made. Got the seat off, bags off, side fenders off, gas tank off, gauges off, inner fairing, outer fairing off, headlight off, screaming eagle rack off. Next, we're gonna get the front wheel off, try to go for the fender, take the back fender off, get the wheels off, try to go for the exhaust. Then we're gonna attack the head. But yeah, we coming along. See what's going on, man. We're gonna get another view for y'all. Get this bike going. Get it going. coming together, little by little. We got all the parts. Crash bar off. Everything is coming new. It's like it's gonna look much better. This is the space we're working in, but it's enough to get the job done. So we got the back fender off. We done made some progress. Next thing we're gonna power wash it and clean it. Once we get all the dirt off, so that way I'm gonna have dirty fingers every time I work on it. Once we do that, we're gonna attack the motor, take the wheels off, and go for everything else. But you see how much progress we made. I'm about to pour this thing out so to let this thing get some air and dry. So after that, we're gonna continue to bust it down. So now we're about to get this thing right. I gotta pretty much get that back sprocket and wheel fixed. So we're about to take that off, get that going so we can get back riding. Wow. So we got the back wheel off. Clean that swing arm, man. This thing is really dirty from this chain. This is the result of what happened. Got one bolt still stuck in there. So, yeah. So basically we had one bolt back out. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm gonna take it to a machine shop and see if they can help me get this fixed. Stay tuned. Or maybe I'll probably have to get a new hub. We're gonna see right now. Got this wheel strapped down. I don't want this thing bouncing around. I rode with it before, I had it going crazy. So we're about to try to get that fixed. I'm also trying to get my hands on another Harley that I can hurry up and get it flipped. But see, the thing is, it's best to get Harleys that's got minor damage you could get running and driving. It's already got the key, just need like a bag or a fairing or a fender, something of that sort. So that way you don't have to sit on it or you don't have to do like extra stuff, which I don't mind, but it just makes the job much easier to get it, like pick it up from the auction, clean it up, get it going, and literally sell it. I literally done it before, and I literally went through what you can go through otherwise, like getting something that's got a lot of damage, then you got to put it in the shop, and that type of stuff. I end up taking a little cut.
It's so